Welcome back, Year 2, to our science lesson. Today we're going to recap on the weather. Now, the weather can be sunny, cloudy, rainy or windy. Clouds, wind and temperature give us clues about the weather. Now we can see in the windows we have sunny, we have cloudy, rainy and windy. Now the clouds come in different colours, shapes and sizes. Clouds are often used to predict the weather. Now the wind is moving air. Warm air and cool air move around us all the time. We cannot see wind, but we can feel it. Wind can make trees in the clouds move, tossing leaves in the air, wearing away rocks and reshaping land. Temperature is a measure of the hotness or coldness. We use a thermometer to measure temperature accurately. We even use it when we're sick. Now the temperature is lower on a colder day and higher on a hotter day. So how do we describe the weather? So on a sunny day, the temperature is high and the sky is bright. Wearing t-shirts and shorts keeps us cool on a sunny day. We should drink plenty of water and use sunblock when we're outdoors. Sunny weather is good for outdoor activities such as swimming. Now, cloudy days. When there are plenty of clouds in the sky, it's a cloudy day. On a cloudy day, clouds cover the sun to block some of the sunlight and heat. As a result, it is less bright and less hot. Now, on a windy day, winds have different strengths. A light wind is called a breeze. A breeze can move leaves. A strong wind bends trees and breaks the branches. Some winds are very strong. They can be dangerous and cause a lot of damage. To keep the wind out, we can wear a windbreaker. On a windy day, we can go kite flying, windsurfing, or even hang gliding. Now, on a rainy day, tiny drops of water in the clouds join together and grow bigger. This makes the clouds thick, dark, and grey. They hang low in the sky. When the drops become too heavy, they fall as rain. When the weather is rainy, strong winds blow and the temperature drops. Sometimes lightning flashes and thunder booms. We call this type of weather a thunderstorm. Heavy rains can be dangerous and cause a lot of damage. We can stay dry in rainy weather by carrying an umbrella or wearing a raincoat. Now we can keep warm in a cool, rainy weather by wearing a sweater. On a rainy day, we can have indoor activities such as playing board games. A rainbow appears when the sun shines on raindrops. Rainbows appear in the sky directly opposite the sun. How does the weather affect plants and animals? Weather affects plants and animals too. They are affected by sunlight, wind, and rain. Now, sunlight. Plants need sunlight to make food. The amount of sunlight affects how well plants grow. Some plants, such as cacti, need more sunlight than others. Some animals need more sunlight than others too. Animals such as lizards, snakes and tortoises absorb the heat from the sun to stay active. Hence, these animals are found in places that receive a lot of sunlight. Then we have the wind. Wind affects the type of plants found in an environment. Wind carries the seeds of some plants to places where they can grow into new plants. Wind helps animals to smell an enemy or food. Wind may help birds to fly faster or slow them down. We have rain. Rain provides water for plants and animals. Many types of plants grow well in rainforests where there's a lot of rainfall. When it rains, some animals take cover in tree holes, logs, between rocks or under plants. Water birds such as ducks have oily feathers that help them to stay waterproof. Both earthworms and snails like the cool and the moist air environment after it rains. Now, when there is too little rain, rivers and lakes dry up. The ground gets hard, plants will wilt and die, and animals become thirsty. So how do we predict the weather? Scientists at weather stations collect information to predict the weather. Besides observing the clouds, scientists have special tools to measure other factors. Air temperature can be measured by using a thermometer. Wind speed can be measured by using an anemometer. The stronger the wind, the faster the anemometer moves. Now, wind direction can be recorded using weather vanes or wind socks. The arrow in the weather vane or the wind vane points to the direction that the wind is coming from. Wind enters the windsock through the broad end and leaves through the narrow end, as we can see in the pictures. The amount of rainfall can be measured using a rain gauge. Now, scientists also use pictures taken by satellites in outer space to come up with weather forecasts. Weather forecasts tell us the kind of weather that we should expect over the next few days. We need weather forecasts so that we can protect ourselves from dangerous weather. Farmers use the weather forecasts for planting crops. Sailors and fishermen use the weather forecast to steer clear of storms at sea. We use weather forecasts to know when to bring along a raincoat or an umbrella. So let's start our quiz. I want you to read the questions and pause the video and answer them. And then when we come back, we'll take a look at the answers. I pause the video now. So let's match the windows with the weather conditions. We have windy, rainy, sunny and cloudy. The first one is sunny. Then we have cloudy. And then we have windy. And the last one is raining. So now we're going to complete the sentence by using the correct word. We have air, sea, wind and feel. So if something is moving, something, we can something it, but cannot something it. Let's go. Wind is moving. Air, we can feel it, but we cannot see it. How did you all do, Year 2? Great. Now we're going to do the same. Read the questions, answer them. So please pause the video now and come back for the answers. So Emily sees clouds moving across the sky. Which of the following causes the clouds to move? The answer is wind. Now, what tools can we use to measure the temperature accurately? We're going to unscramble the letters to find the correct answer. Thermometer. We feel hot or cold depending on the temperature. Draw lines to match the words correctly. The temperature is low or high. We feel hot or cold, so low means cold. High is hot. Right, we're going to circle the correct answers. So on a sunny day, the sky is bright and the temperature is high. We wear clothes that keep us cool. Now please pause the video and read the questions and answer them yourself. Come back for the answers. So, which of these do you need on a sunny day? Do we need a woolly hat? No. We need sun cream, we need a t-shirt, we need sunglasses and a sun hat to protect our face. Now let's fill in the blanks for sunny or cloudy. Something day is less hot than a something day, and a something day is brighter than a something day. So, a cloudy day is less hot than a sunny day. So, a sunny day is brighter than a cloudy day. So, which of these clothes items do you need on a rainy day? So, we'd need a scarf, a raincoat, an umbrella, and some welly boots. We wouldn't need trainers and a sun hat. Again, let's pause the video and answer the questions. Pause your video now. So, which of the following happens during a thunderstorm? We have thunder booms, lightning flashes and strong winds blow. Right, the next question, match the weather to the activities. We have sunny, windy and rainy, windsurfing, board games and swimming. So let's go sunny. We can go swimming, windy, windsurfing and rainy. We're going to stay inside and have board games. Please pause the video now, read the questions and answer. So Dawn noted the weather every day at 4 p.m. and made a weather chart for the week as shown below. So she's written the days and she's written the type of weather. Take a look. On which day could Dawn fly a kite? On Wednesday because it was windy. Now, on which day was it dangerous to stand under a tree? On Friday because it was rainy with thunder and lightning. On which 2 days was the air temperature higher than other days? Monday and Saturday because it was hot and sunny. Now, our last question of the quiz. Pause the video now and come back for the answers. So based on the weather forecast, circle one object that would be useful. Windy would be a jacket, a windbreaker. Rainy, welly boots, puddle boots. And on a sunny day, a summer hat to keep the sun out our face. Great work, Year 2. I hope you managed to answer all the questions correctly. Keep up the hard work and the great work, and I will see you soon. Until next lesson, take care.